We are in the new 2020 Montana High Country 335 BH, and BH stands for Bunkhouse, and this is one of the coolest bunkhouse floor plans I have seen. So we've got the mid kitchen, we've got a pantry to store all the food and snacks for the kiddos. Got lots and lots of windows here in the slide that go up to the ceiling, so you really get that effect of it feeling a lot taller in here. We've got the loft, and you see this style of loft in the mid bunks a lot, but this is actually at the rear of the coach. So back here is the bunkhouse, and they did a phenomenal job with this floor plan. So this is actually a slide that goes out the back wall of the unit. So you gain about an extra 2, maybe even 3 feet with the slide that you don't have to worry about for towing. But also the best part back here is there's an additional half bath. So the kids don't have to go up into the master bed area to use the restroom in the middle of the night. It is brilliant. It's totally brilliant. Let's go check out upstairs because there's a lot of really cool things going on up here as well. So we've got a separate bath. It feels like a separate bath, but the slide in here is also connected to the slide in the bedroom. So you get 2 entrances, which is a fantastic flow for anywhere you are in the rig. It's easy to access this spot. In here we've got a set of combo washer dryer, but if you don't use the combo, you can use it as hang-up space. And one of the biggest thing that stood out to me up here was what's going on in the nose of this. This is one of the new front windshields. So this is actually a patent pending design. So you get this big picture window out the front, and it provides so much natural light. It's just such a cool added element that you really don't see in a lot of fifth wheels. They've really done a nice job with updating the interiors of these RVs. They've gone with a lot of grays and a lot of brighter colors, as you can see here. They really switched up the headboard, and they also did 2 nightstands, and this one on the left is a lot bigger too. So if you travel with a CPAP machine or need something bigger by your bed, look at how much room there is. It's absolutely perfect. So multifunctional. This rig is a total home run.